Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter J. Okay, this is uppercase J and this is lowercase j. J is for joker. J is for joker. Okay kids. J is for jug. J-U-G, jug. J is for juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. J is for jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. J is for joker. J is for jug. J is for juice. J is for jacket. Let's write letter J. Okay? Draw a standing line and a small curve line. This is uppercase J. Draw a standing line and a small curve and a dot. This is lowercase j. So बच्चों, today we are learn letter J. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.